So here's how to deposit money on Coinbase. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to log into your Coinbase account. Once you are logged into your account, now here you have to select the deposit method. After that, here you have to select the currency in which you want to deposit in your account. Now here you have to enter the value. Once you have entered the value, now here you have to click on the buy now option at the bottom. In Coinbase wallet, you can buy the currency via bank account, credit card and cryptocurrency. If you want to deposit via credit or debit card, you have to select this option, and once you have selected this option, now it will take you to another interface where you have to enter all of your details. After entering your details, now you will be able to buy crypto. Even you can deposit funds via Binance account or another platform. If you want to deposit via cryptocurrency, you have to select this option. You have to go to your Binance wallet. After that, click on the send option to send the crypto. Now you have to copy this address and paste it in your Coinbase wallet. So that's how to deposit in your Coinbase wallet.